So what are the top 3 Parisian cocktails? This simple prompt to artificial intelligence led me down a rabbit hole to some of the best cocktail bars in Paris.
First stop, the Little Red Door.
This is where GuideGeek said I should order the boulevardier. I asked about its origin, and it turns out it goes back to Prohibition days. It was the go-to for an American writer living in Paris at the time. He published a magazine called Boulevardier. To enter this bar, you have to walk past this taco bar through a door at the back of the kitchen. I also find out Corpse Reviver number 2 isn't French at all. This happens sometimes with AI. It makes mistakes. From here, we walk to Le Syndicat to get our last drink on the list. And the French 75?
It's like a yacht party in a glass.
It's the last cocktail on GuideGeek's list, but you know what? At this point, the list doesn't matter. I've had so many other cool cocktails. I spent the night with this community of bartenders who are all best of friends. So I'm happy AI led me here. And most of all, I'm happy about everyone I met.